Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday 26 November 2021. I am here again, pier number 184 for the Cantilever Bridge crossing over the Lopburi River. Here behind me is the river. The water is now going down a little bit, but still float, okay, but it's better than before. Before it's very high. Okay, we can go and see upside of the PierTable. What is the situation right now? All right, it is the water from Lopburi River. We have a small access, the temporary access, because the foundation is floating by the water from Lopburi River. Okay, other side is Cantilever Bridge. Form material are installing. All right, just go upside. Here we go. Nice view and nice climate. Right here is almost the winter. The wind is coming from and cold. I like it. Yes, I am coming on the deck. Okay, right now I am here on the deck, the top deck of PierTable. 184 for the Cantilever Bridge crossing Lopburi River. This is the river, Lopburi River, the side of the bridge. And here, after the last episode, I came here and I show you what a longitudinal hose section. Right now, starting with the transfer duct with a flat duct installation here with the casting, and here one side is end. We calling this dead end. We have to make a flower behind and put it with a dead end. Okay, this is a top slab, steel layer, the last one finished already. I hope it can casting concrete soon. Okay, for the formwork they will do soon. Okay, rebar almost ready. We need to insert the hole for the tie down Cantilever tie down right here. Okay, this is the embedded tie down for the rear suspension system. Okay, the guys. Okay, this is very clean. They're preparing, okay, cleaning, and this is the flat duct anchorage. All right, yes, they are preparing like this. Okay, then we put inside till here the position and the flat duct also installing. Oh, good. Right now I hope they can casting concrete on time, and then after we finish with the assembly from traveler from there, and then we come here immediately. We can rotation work, no need to stop. Okay, that's good time and good view and good climate right here. The rebar they have to bend down again, okay, to make the metal level and survey check. Longitudinal tendon already complete. Okay, flat duct are ongoing, and steel top slab almost ready. Just bend and level a little bit. Okay, this is the progress for the construction work here. casting concrete, waiting maybe 7 day, stressing, and then remove the shutter out. This behind, they are installing the pier segment column. Oh, very fast. And yes, we can see a lot of progress here. Here the construction for the railway with construction like this. Okay, hopefully you guys will enjoy with my update here with the construction work in Thailand, Lopburi River. Hopefully you guys will know the knowledge from me. Actually, in different location we have a different method to work. You know, before I work with the PierTable like this, after we setting out of the form work, the first one I have to put the bow head shutter complete around, and the bow head will provide the hole for the flat duct location, and in front side also I have to provide a hole for the longitudinal duct location. Also everything complete as per the drawing. I cut the plywood, okay, 10 milli, and fix it by the timber, and then we can have all the shutter complete, and then we start with the rebar with the bottom slab finish, and then the longitudinal duct have to insert direct to the hole and then go straight to another side of the hole, then finish. Then we can start with a flat duct. We put the strand inside the flat duct complete, and then we installing the last rebar layer, finish 1 hour. That very easy. Yeah, and then cleaning and inspection finish. And then for the step of balance cantilever, every segment I have to preparing all the bow head shutter by the plywood, hole for the rebar, hole for the longitudinal. Even of the side bow head, they have to provide the location of the flat duct area. They have to make a hole like that and drill a hole for fixed by bone with the anchorage. That is a good system. Okay, we have a good work, but no problem. Everywhere many kind of method, but finally we can get a job done. Okay, you can talk from 1 2 3 4 5 up to 10. Maybe some guys speak 5 3 4 2 1, and then the last is the 10 same. Okay, no problem. This is okay. If we have a lot of experience, we can compare and we can modify. I don't know, apply to work, but try to get a job easier, and get a job done quicker. All right, thank you guys. Okay, see you for the next episode. All right.